Question answers of Go Green Plant World is continued in this video. Plants are useful. In the beginning, we learned that the plants wanted to go away to a different planet. Why? Because on the earth plants were suffering from air pollution due to deforestation and irregular watering. So, plants wanted to go away to a different planet. List any 3 reasons why Kunal did not want these plants to go away. Kunal did not want these plants to go away because without plants there would be no food to eat, no fresh air to breathe, and no rain, water and wood. Activity: unjumble the names of the food items and then say to which part of plant they belong to. Look at the first word. Unjumble the given word. It is cabbage. So cabbage is a leaf. So write in the place of leaf. CABBAGE, cabbage. Next one, mango. Mango is a fruit. So write in the place of fruit. MANGO, mango. Third one is spinach. Spinach is a leaf. So write in the place of leaf. SPINACH, spinach. So unscramble the next word, that is potato. Potato is a stem. So write potato in the place of stem. POTATO, potato. Next one is sugar cane. Sugar cane is a stem. So write in the place of stem. SUGARCANE, sugar cane. Next one is carrot. Carrot is a root. So write in the place of root. Next one, tomato. Tomato is a fruit. So write in the place of fruit. TOMATO, tomato. Next one, radish. Radish is a root. RADISH, radish. Next one is peas. Peas is a seed. So write in the place of seed. PEAS, peas. Next one, corn. Corn is a seed. C-O-R-N, corn. Kunal is a little confused. Is brinjal a fruit or a vegetable? Brinjal is a fruit. So right here, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. How useful is a coconut tree? Every part is useful, or some parts are useful, or no part is useful. Every part of coconut tree is useful. So tick this one. Can we eat all crops directly? No. Name two crops that are grown in winter. Wheat and barley are the crops grown in winter. Name two crops that are grown in summer. Maize, M-A-I-Z-E, maize, and rice. Birds or hens eat dash. Grains, they eat grains. What did the little red hen find in her backyard? Grains. Activity: match the following. These are sugar cubes. We will get sugar cubes by sugar cane. So match sugar cubes to sugar cane. This is chapati. We will get chapati from wheat. So match chapati to wheat. This is coffee powder. We will get coffee powder from coffee beans. So match coffee powder to coffee beans. This is chocolate. We will get chocolate from cocoa beans. So match chocolate to cocoa beans. This is tea. We will get tea from tea leaves. So match tea to tea leaves. Name three spices other than those mentioned above that mummy has in her kitchen. Mustard, M-U-S-T-A-R-D, mustard. Turmeric, T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C, turmeric. And clove, C-L-O-V-E, clove. Do we also get salt from plants? No, we will not get salt from plants. We get salt from seawater. We get oil from certain plants. Oil is used for cooking. Apart from cooking, oil is also used for body massage, B-O-D-Y-M-A-S-S-A-G-E, massage, and applying on hair. Do we use wood to construct our homes? Yes. We use wood to construct our homes. Where does this wood come from? We get wood from trees. Did you know that the pencil you are writing with is made of wood? Yes. Look around your classroom. List three things other than pencils that are made of wood. Desk, table, door. Rubber is used for making tires, pipes, and tubes. Tubes, tubes. In which season is cotton harvested? Before or during winter season, cotton is harvested. Is silk also obtained from plants? No, we'll get silk from silkworm. Name two things other than the clothes you wear that are made using cotton. Pillow and bedsheet. Is it good to waste paper? Give reasons for your answer. No, it is not good to waste paper, as it means unnecessary cutting down of trees that support life on the earth. Activity. Match the following. This is grassland. Which animal live in the grassland? Cuckoo, lion, cow. Yes, cow lives in the grassland. So match cow to grassland. Next, nest. Birds build nest on the trees. So match nest to cuckoo. Forest. Lion lives in forest. So match lion to forest. Have you ever thought that even the fresh air, oxygen you breathe is given out by plants? Yes. That is why the air in the gardens and parks is so fresh. We'll see exercise part in the next video. Thank you.